Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I know this gentleman. This gentleman and I go way back. This is Marshall McNeil. What's he doing here?
What history do you have with Marshall McNeil?
Marshall McNeil and I had a few run-ins a couple years back. It's absolutely true, and he got the best of me at the last one, and I'm surprised to see him here tonight. It was a sucker punch. I have never seen anything like this in my life. The ring announcer getting tossed. Marshall McNeil taking over ring announcing his first match of the night, introducing the Boiler Room Boys. This is going to be a handicap match tonight. And wait to hear who their opponent's going to be. They are not fan favorites, that's for sure. Hey, Gorgon, he's got a new outfit. He must have made a couple extra bucks down in the boiler room. Gorgon is the one carrying the yellow workman's hat. P40 in the blue, and in the dark blue, carrying the helmet is Gorgon. They are the Boiler Room Boys.
And their opponent, hailing from Hartford, Connecticut, weighing in at 170 pounds, Bobby Ocean!
Bobby Ocean! One of the fan favorites and one of my personal favorites. Again, Holyoke Joe, this guy knows how to wrestle, he knows how to brawl, he knows how to do it all.
Yeah, it's unfair. And it's not unfair because it's 2-on-1. It's unfair because Bobby Ocean is going to beat the hell out of both of those guys right now.
I think you're right about that one. The Boiler Room Boys think they got to walk in the park. I don't think so tonight, noobs.
Well, they could surprise you here tonight. Boiler Room Boys are no joke. Multiple tag team champions.
He's not the biggest wrestler, but he might be one of the most intimidating. He loves this business, he loves his job, he takes it very seriously, and tonight he's taking on the Boiler Room Boys.
Even the great Bobby Ocean get taken out. We've seen that before.
Now, will both Boiler Room Boys be in the ring at the same time, or will they be tagging in?
I think they're going to be in the ring at the same time.
I think otherwise. I think they're going to be forced to tag. It's just the referee lets it play out for them. You're right, dudes. I'm sorry to say. I was wrong.
This is even...
I was hoping things would be a little more.
Now this is going to put Boiler Room Boys in a better position. They're going to be
elbows
both
and right hands right now by Bobby Ocean on both members of the Boiler Room Boys.
Both of them are going to be in the ring at the same time, so that's going to give them a little advantage. Double team.
Kick to the face right there.
Might just take him out for the rest of the match. One-on-one match now.
Bobby Ocean off the rope. P40 goes down a little bit early, showed his hand right there. Bobby Ocean, awesome clothesline right there with power. Have some turnbuckle, Mr. P40.
Bobby Ocean gives some of the hardest hits here in the UWD. Everything, clotheslines, punches, kicks.
That European uppercut, he looked like he was a bobblehead there for a second.
Never forget when he kicked the ear off of Soulfly.
Elbow to the side of the head. Looks like Gorgon sneaking up on Bobby Ocean from the outside. Here comes the double team expertise now of the Boiler Room boys. And like you said, Noobs, no DQ.
I know things. Don't worry about that, Joey.
Drop toe hold right there. 2 count only. P40 going for a count now. 2 count only.
The Boiler Room boys are keeping Ocean down.
Off the ropes right now. Double team up underneath.
Oh.
And they dump Bobby right on the top rope, right across the throat.
I thought he was going right out the top.
He would have been out for a long time.
I think going out might have been his better bet. He went right across the top of that with on his throat. That's going to cut off the wind to his throat, that's for sure. If you can't breathe, you're not going to be able to wrestle.
Took my attention away from the match for a second. I noticed over here to my right, the spot match is about 2 children. 2 brand new UWD DVDs. They're not waiting to get them on the website. They're going to purchase them right here at the store.
Every month you get yourself a DVD. If you miss the action 1 month, don't worry about it. We have it for you every month here at the Springfield Turnverein. All the information, UltimateWrestlingDynasty.com. Find out more. And it looks like Bobby Ocean. He's in a little bit of a problem right now. Not a smart move on the Boiler Room boys, teasing Bobby Ocean like this.
They've kept him down for a while, though. They could come up here with an upset. Usually in a handicap match, person who's by himself is not at an advantage, but in this one it is.
They are having their way with Bobby Ocean right now.
They're getting a little cocky in there. They better put Bobby Ocean away before he gets a second wind right now. There's an elbow. There's another one. Make it 3. Right hand.
Oh my God.
Elbow to the face of P40. That was nasty.
Pushing his feet, one or the other.
Bobby Ocean taking over on P40 right now. Snap snooplex right there. Nice move.
He's going to have to incapacitate one of these guys so much so that he can pin the other one. Because there's always going to be one guy to break up a pin every time he goes to try to pin.
A very good call there, Holyoke Joe. One of these guys, he's got to get outside the ring. Oh, double DDT right there.
All 3 men are down right now.
They are indeed. Bobby Ocean looks like he's not moving right now. Boiler and boys trying to get to their feet. And right now, Bobby Ocean is in a heap of trouble unless he can get behind him. The fans, they come. They're supporting Bobby Ocean here. And that really helps out a wrestler sometimes. Gorgon grabbing onto the ropes.
First to their feet. Bobby Ocean's up.
Oh. There. Bobby Ocean must have eyes in the back of his head. Gorgon trying to cheap shot him right there. Bobby Ocean turning around just in time.
Vicious shots to the back.
Now Bobby Ocean, if he can focus right now on Gorgon, he's got P40 on the outside. This is the perfect opportunity for him to take over during this match. Punch to the face, make it 2, 3, 4. He'll go all day if he has to.
It looks like there's rules being enforced here because the referee just got Bobby Ocean out of the corner, so it mustn't be.
Well, I never said it was no DQ.
I heard you say that actually.
Shaggy, I think, said that, my friend.
Blame it on him.
Blame it on Shaggy. Why not, noobs? Just like everything else you do.
Hey, I'm a fair man.
Yeah. Right now, Bobby Ocean had up P40, had him up for power slam. There's 1, 2. Gorgon breaks up the count.
I've seen him beat people in that match, so he could have won this match right now. Wasn't for this guy's partner. What's that guy's name?
Gorgon, yep.
Baseball slide, drop kick.
P40 on the outside of the ropes. Now it's just Bobby Ocean and Gorgon in the ring. Going for the armbar submission right now. He can have it locked in. It's locked right on the forehead. And he's leaning back. Watch Bobby. He'll lean back on it. That referee says no.
Oh, here comes P40 sliding in the ring.
The pressure he's putting on him right now. If this was a singles match, it would have been over probably about 5 minutes ago. But Bobby Ocean holding strong right now. But team of the Boiler Room Boys, they're experienced tag team wrestlers. This is their expertise.
I'm more than willing to bet is the Boiler Room Boys would have beat whoever it was if it wasn't such a tough guy like Bobby Ocean.
Bobby Ocean doesn't back down from any challenge, and he heard it was going to be a handicap match. He said, bring it on. And right now, he might have wished he didn't say that. They're kneeing him, kicks, anything to keep Bobby down on the mat. Forearm, right to, oh, he blocked it right there. Gorgon has Bobby Ocean up.
He's trying to fight it off.
Second rope.
Oh, he just got driven to the mat so hard.
Wow, unbelievable. I can't believe he kicked out of that one. I thought they had him there. Well, now he's got the helmet. This could be a cause for disqualification. Referee stepping in, doing his job. Maybe. Oh. Hit his own team member right there. Gorgon down for the count. Bobby Ocean swinging it, tornado elbow right there. 1, 2, 3. 3 count. Bobby Ocean with the tornado elbow. The winner against the Boiler Room Boys. I am not surprised one bit.
Nope. Yes. Well,
he looks like he is out.
Boiler Boys.
Bobby Ocean, your winner tonight at Springfield Turnverein. 0 Tolerance 2010. Bobby Ocean comes up a winner. I don't think they really answer to anything anyway. Every time I try to speak with them, they just walk right by me and ignore me, so I don't even know if they can hear at all. Bobby Ocean slapping high fives with the fans. That's what's so cool about Ultimate Wrestling Dynasty. There you go. There you go. That's one for the fans. We are a fan-friendly organization. You can always come out and see us here in Feeding Hills, Massachusetts. You can always pick up DVDs online if you missed any of the great matches. Great quality matches. You won't find anything better.
Oh, I'm going to work, boy.
Holyoke Joe going to work. My name's Shaggy. Once again, I'm here with Noobs. Noobs, we have our new ring announcer for the first half. I don't even know the gentleman's name, but Marshall McNeil came in and took over for the new guy.
And thank gosh he did.
I got to tell you, the new guy, he gave it his best effort, but things aren't as easy as they appear. Some people think I can do that because they see it on television. That's not to be. Same as wrestling. You think you can wrestle? No way. These guys are trained athletes. There's no way you can come into this and do it.